I'm Javanez and today's garden topic is a DIY plant shelf. If you're anything like me and are obsessed with plants, it's not enough to just have a garden. The space inside your home needs plants too. Then what better way to showcase your greenery than a plant shelf all DIY? But before we get started, if you are now just discovering my channel, hello and welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, because I'm sure you're going to love this DIY project just as much as I did. All right, let's go. To hang 3 plant shelves, here are the materials you'll need. 6 of these 3/4 inch floor flanges, 6 of these 3/4 caps, and 6 of these 3/4 by 10 inch nipples, some heavy duty drywall anchors, 3 boards cut to the length you need. For this project, I used a 2 by 10 by 8 plywood, which I got cut to length for free at the hardware store. I had them cut the wood into 3 pieces measuring 23 inches long. And now the tools I used for this project: a power drill, because I want to use as little effort and elbow grease as possible, Mankind's writing tool, also known as a pencil, a level if you don't like things crooked, and a tape measure, because eyeballing it just isn't as accurate sometimes. Now to assemble the shelves. Step 1. Screw 1 cap into each nipple. These will be your brackets. Hold off on the floor flange. We'll attach it later. Step 2. Decide where you want your shelves to be. I went ahead and got the first shelf in place. Now let me show you how I did that. I measured 6 inches from the wall with a tape measure and 13 inches in height from the existing shelf. Make a mark. Now place the floor flange at that mark and use a pencil to mark the floor flange holes on the walls. These will be your marker for the pilot holes. Step 3. Now with your drill and drill bit, make your holes. I used a 3/16 drill bit for the pilot holes. Now screw the wall anchors into the holes you just drilled. Step 4. Now that the wall anchors are in, let's fasten the floor flanges into the wall with the screws that came with the wall anchors. I'm only using 2 wall anchors because these ones can actually accommodate 90 pounds each. Step 5. Next step is to measure out where to mount the next floor flange. I spaced mine 20 inches apart, made my mark with a pencil, and made sure it was level. Step 6. Attaching the brackets. Screw the brackets into the floor flanges and place your shelf on top of it. It should be level. Step 7. To add a little bit of security, you can fasten pipe straps, which I've spray painted black, to the underside of the shelf with some wood screws. Now to hang the remaining shelves, you'll want to repeat the entire process, and then you're done. I had extra wood left over, so I went ahead and added a smaller shelf at the bottom. For a more finished look, you can always sand the wood down and apply a wood stain. However, I kind of like the raw look, so I left mine as is. Well guys, that's it for now. You can also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat. The links are all down below, including with all the details of this DIY project. Also, I'd love to hear from you, so please leave a comment in the space below, and if you have any questions, you can ask them there. Well, thanks again for watching. See you next time. Bye!